Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Florise 27-inch Smokeless Fire Pit. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Smokeless Fire Pit. Designed with a unique airflow system, lets you enjoy the warmth and ambience of a low-smoke fire pit. Perfect for camping, backyard gatherings, it delivers a truly smoke-free experience, no more teary eyes or lingering odors. Premium stainless steel. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a specialized heat-resistant coating, this smokeless fire pit is built to last, making it a dependable choice for your outdoor fireplace setup. The included bottom brackets provide added protection for your patio against heat damage, ensuring safe and enjoyable gatherings. Portable design. The Florise wood-burning fire pit requires no tools and assembles in seconds, making it effortlessly portable and compact for storage. Its included waterproof cover doubles as a convenient carry bag, ready for terraces, patios, beach trips, camping, or any outdoor adventure. Easy to clean. Designed for outdoor use, this smokeless fire pit delivers robust warmth. Just add wood or pellets for intense, long-lasting heat. The removable ash pan with included fire poker enables effortless cleanup after campfires or backyard gatherings. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.